In this video, we'll demonstrate how UiPath AutoPilot can transform a simple natural language prompt into a complete UI automation. Let's consider the following prompt. Search for UiBank on Google, navigate to their loan application page, and fill out the application with mock data. The system begins by launching Google Chrome and navigating to google.com. It then searches for UiBank, and once the results are displayed, it selects the top search result to access the UiBank website. Upon reaching the welcome page, AutoPilot intelligently analyzes the interface to determine the path to the loan application section. Once on the loan page, it recognizes the need to click on Apply for a loan to proceed. At this stage, AutoPilot identifies all required input fields, generates realistic mock data, and populates each field accordingly. And the final step, AutoPilot submits the completed application. Once the submission is successful and the result is displayed on the web page, we return to the AutoPilot interface. Here, we receive confirmation that the automation was executed successfully, along with suggestions for potential next steps. In conclusion, starting from a simple text prompt, UiPath AutoPilot is able to generate and execute a fully functional UI automation without the need for any predefined workflows.